Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss a grammar chapter with you. Welcome to the third session of topic Subject-Verb Agreement. So students, please open your book, lesson number 30, Subject-Verb and Agreement on page number 103. So, the main objective of this chapter is, today we will be able to spot the errors in the sentences with the help of rules of subject, verb and agreement. But before proceeding further, have a quick review what we have learnt in our previous session. Number 1. The verb must agree with subject in number, singular and in plural. Look at the example. A dog barks at the stranger. Here we are talking about a dog. A dog is a subject. So, singular subject must take singular verb, barks. Next one, singular subjects take singular verb. Look at the example. Ritu has cleaned her room. Here we are talking about Ritu. Ritu is singular. So, we have taken singular verb, has. Next one, plural subjects take plural verb. Here, look at the sentence. We have won the match. We plural, so we have taken plural verb, have. Next one, when two or more singular nouns joined by and, it takes a plural verb. Look at the example. Rohan and Meeta have done their work. Now here we are talking about two singular nouns, Rohan and Meeta, which is joined by and. So, now it will take a plural verb, have. Next one, when the subject consists of two nouns joined with or as well as, the verbs agree with the first subject. Look at the example. The students as well as the principal were present at the party. Here we are talking about one subject, the students, and the second subject, the principal. But it is joined with as well as, so we will check the first subject. First subject, the students, plural, so we have taken a plural verb, were. The next one, a collective noun always takes a singular verb. Here we are talking about collective noun. So collective noun always takes singular verb. Look at the example. The packet of erasers is very colorful. Here we are talking about a packet of erasers. That means a collective noun. So we have used a singular verb, is. Now students, let's do something interesting. I have written some incorrect sentences for you. Now you have to find out the correct mistakes in the sentences and rewrite these sentences correctly. Now look at the first sentence. Anuradha and Priyanka is in my class. Here we are talking about two singular nouns, Anuradha and Priyanka, which is joined by and. So whenever it is joined by and, we always take plural verb. See, here we have taken a singular verb, which is incorrect. So the correct answer is Anuradha and Priyanka are in my class. Look at the next sentence. She likes curry and rice. Here she is singular. So with singular subject, we always take singular verb. So, but here we have taken a plural verb. So the correct answer is she likes curry and rice. Now next one. These motorcycles go fast. Now look student, these motorcycles are plural subject. We are talking about motorcycle and our subject is plural. So we have to take a plural verb. But here we have taken a singular verb. So it is wrong. The correct answer is these motorcycles go fast. Next one, Amit as well as his friends are present here. Here we are talking about two subjects, Amit, first subject, his friends second subject, and it is joined with as well as. Whenever it is joined with as well as, we have to check the first subject. First subject Amit is singular, so we have taken a singular verb. But here we have written are, so are is incorrect. The correct answer is Amit as well as his friends is present here. Next one, the leader with his followers were present. Here we are talking about two subjects. The leader, first subject, his followers, second subject. But with is there, so we have to check the first subject. The first subject is the leader. It is singular. But students, here we have taken a plural verb. So it is incorrect. The correct answer is the leader with his followers was present. Next one. Here we are talking about Vimla, Leela and Kamla is my sisters. Here Vimla, Leela and Kamla are singular nouns which is joined with and. So whenever it is joined with and, we always take plural verb. So correct answer is Vimla, Leela and Kamla are my sisters. Next one, the flock were grazing in the field. Here we are talking about flock. So flock is the collective noun. So with collective noun, we always take singular verb. So the correct answer is the flock was grazing in the field. Now the next one, the cost of all food articles have risen. Here we are talking about cost of all food articles. So with cost, we will take the singular form of the verb. So here have is incorrect. The correct answer is the cost of all food articles has risen. Next one, the peacock are a beautiful bird. Here we are talking about the peacock. The peacock is singular. So we will take singular verb. So the correct answer is the peacock is a beautiful bird. Next one, they like cricket more than volleyball. Here we are talking about they. They is a plural subject. So it will take plural verb. So the correct answer is they like cricket more than volleyball. Next one, the ship with its entire crew are lost. Here we are talking about two subjects, the ship and its entire crew. So it is joined with. So with we always check the first subject. So the ship, here we are talking about the ship is singular. So it will take singular verb. Here are is incorrect. The correct answer is the ship with its entire crew is lost. Next one, copper as well as aluminium are found in India. Here we are talking about two subjects, copper first subject, aluminium second subject. As well as is there, so we will check the first subject. So copper is singular, so we will take the singular verb. Here are is incorrect. Look at the next one. Answer. Copper as well as aluminium is found in India. Look at the next sentence. What good toys do you have for playing? Students, here we are talking about you. So you is a subject. With subject you, we always write plural verb. So here has is incorrect. The correct answer is, what good toys do you have for playing? Next one, Mohan and Sohan studies in the same school. Here we are talking about two singular nouns, Mohan and Sohan. So whenever we are talking about two singular nouns and it is joined by and, we always take plural verb. So the correct answer is Mohan and Sohan study in the same school. Next one. The fleet have set sail. Now look student, we are talking about the fleet. The fleet is a collective noun, and with collective noun we always take singular verb. So here the correct answer is the fleet has set sail. Today, all of you have understood the concept of subject, verb and agreement. I hope the topic is clear to all. Now you all have to follow your SNAP homework schedule and do the related exercises by your own. Thank you everyone.